There's very few things electrical wise that don't require a permit. I mean, you could change outlets, but I mean, when you're, like you said, when you're running new lines.
Yeah. When you're running a new line underground, or whether I doubt it's attached to your house. So you would probably have to go underground. You're going to be digging across that. You
got a blue stake.
Yep.
Make sure there's not utilities under there. It has to be, I think, 24 inches underground.
So we wouldn't have to do blue stake on that one if it's for your main one, because it's only 6 inches to 18 inches in the ground, depending on what type of conduit we're doing.
Okay.
So if we're doing 6 inches, it has to be a metal galvanized conduit that's wrapped in 20 mil tape that we would be running from there, because that's the way most pool companies do it, is they run galvanized. I hate it, but sometimes it's done so cheap because you don't have to dig as far. I love using PVC because it's going to last a lot longer. We replace pool runs all the time because they rust out. Even with that 20 mil tape on it, it corrodes from the inside out. We have another client that their stuff literally disintegrated and the conduit's completely gone, and you have wires just in the ground now.